Hello. In this video, we will discuss options flow, which is a live stream of option trades. Before we begin, Optionomics offers two main types of features: analytics and terminal. The terminal is a platform designed for traders, where they can observe real-time market sentiment and other activities as they happen. On the other hand, the analytics features are developed to help you analyze and understand market data in depth. The options flow feature is also available in the terminal, but today we will focus on the Analytics Options Flow feature. To access Options Flow, simply click Live Options Flow from the Options Flow menu. Here you'll see a list of option trades that are happening in real time. To stop the stream of options flow, you can click this button. This will pause the live updates so you can take your time to analyze the trades. Let's break down what each part of an option trade means. This is the time when the trade was executed. Here you can see the underlying symbol of the trade, which is the stock or asset the option is based on. This is the option type. It can be a call, a trade that gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset and the seller an obligation to sell the underlying asset, or a put, a trade that gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset and the seller an obligation to buy the underlying asset. Please note, a call does not automatically mean bullish, and a put does not automatically mean bearish. This is the side of the trade, which tells you where the trade happened relative to the market price. This is the sentiment, showing if the trade is likely bullish, expecting prices to rise, or bearish, expecting prices to fall. Sentiment is calculated from the option trade end side. This is the confidence score, which ranges from 1 to 5, with 5 meaning the strongest signal. Strike refers to the agreed price for this options contract. The spot price is the current price of the underlying asset when the trade was made. Expiration date is shown here, and DT stands for days to expiration, which tells you how many days are left until the option expires. This is the premium or the price paid for the option. Here we have the size, which is the number of contracts traded. This is the volume, showing how many contracts have traded so far today. Open interest is displayed here, which tells you how many contracts are currently open. IV stands for implied volatility, which measures how much the market expects the price to move. In this column, we see delta, which shows how much the option price is expected to change if the underlying asset moves by $1. These are the tags which help categorize the trade. Now, let's talk about side. A means this trade was executed at the ask price, the price sellers want. B means this trade was executed at the bid price, the price buyers are offering. BB means this trade was executed below the bid price, even lower than what buyers were offering. Similarly, AA means this trade was executed above the ask price, even higher than what sellers were asking. When a call option is traded at the ask or above the ask, that is considered bullish, meaning traders expect the price to rise. Similarly, when a call option is traded at the bid or below the bid, that is considered a bearish trade, meaning traders expect the price to fall. On the other hand, when a put option is traded at or above the ask, that is considered bearish. And when a put option is traded below or at the bid, that is also considered bullish. If there are trades that can't fit in one page, you can go to the next page by following these links. You can also sort these columns just by clicking the column titles. If you want to go to a previous date, you can click the date selector and select the previous date. You can also filter your options flow trades by using this filter option. By using these filter options, you can narrow down the data. For example, let's say we want to only filter for sweep trades. Now, we will only see sweep trades or trades with the sweep tag. These are quick filters. For instance, if we want to see only 0 DTE trades, we can click this button. Now we are only seeing 0 DTE trades. So you can filter by various options. For example, calls and side premium. If you want to clear all these filters, just click clear. And if you want to filter options flow trades for a specific symbol, you can just enter the symbol in this box. Now we are only seeing the trades for the symbol that we entered. In this case, it's SPY. You can find more filters in the Advanced and Greek tabs. That was how you can use our Live Options Flow feature to perform various types of analysis on options flow data. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.